Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal to your Stan Store. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, in order to connect your PayPal, you will need to go ahead, log into your Stan Store like I did. And after that, you're gonna scroll down to the bottom right there where it says settings and click on it. And now from here, you're gonna click payments. On payments, you're gonna see your Stripe if you already connected it. If not, then you're gonna choose an option Add PayPal. Here it is. So once you will click on it, the PayPal will pop up. And here it is, start selling and get paid, connect to PayPal. You're gonna click on it and you will be redirected to your PayPal. Now you will see your email pop up here. It will pop up with the same account as your Stan Store. And now you're going to choose your country and region and click next. Now, if you will not have an account, you're going to need to go ahead and create it. So enter your first, last name, email address, and a password. And after that, you're going to click Let's Go, ready to start using PayPal on Find Community Inc. And also, once you have created, you're going to choose which one you are. Now, after you will verify your PayPal, you will see it here. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.